this is bad. So bad. I never knew it would get out of control.
Sam, what have you done?
Back home, food fights are a tradition. I thought everyone does this.
Look at my dress. I can wear this. Oh. What do I do?
Don't worry. I'll fix it for you. Ouch! 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 I'll make you a new dress, I promise!
Wait. It was a royal banquet? And you started a foot fight? Seriously, Sam?
Oh, well, the occasion got the better of me. It's all glorious, Sue!
Yeah, and now we have to make a new dress for Elsa. Okay. Actually, where is she exactly?
She's in the shower washing the appetizers out of her hair.
Oh dear. Well, I guess we have no other way but to make her a new outfit. And I think we should start with the crown. Uh-huh. And the last piece. Now let's remove the pattern. Here we go. Whoops.
Oh, thanks for helping me, Sue. I really need to make it up to Elsa.
No problem. Let's make that crown sparkle. I need some jewels. I mean, she's a queen after all. Where are they?
Oh, I feel fabulous! Diamonds are a slime's best. Ouch!
These are for the crown, remember? Although they did look good on you, Sammy.
No one ever buys me jewelry. Sometimes a slime likes to be treated.
No, you don't need expensive diamonds, silly. You're precious already.
Well, indeed I am. Plus very handsome and super smart.
That's the attitude. What do you think of this snowflake? I think it looks good right here.
Arr! Shiver me chatters! Sorry, Sue, I'm kind of busy here right now. I'm about to hit the jackpot!
Never mind, I'll let you finish your treasure hunt.
I did it, Sue! I found the ancient heart of El Dorado!
Oh, wow, that's just perfect! Huh? Oh, fabulous!
Hey, that was my treasure! You know what? Elsa deserves it more.
And that's why you're a good friend.
Wow, Sue, that looks amazing!
The crown is finished. Now what?
We should probably make Elsa a new pair of shoes!
Huh? Oh, where did he go now? He knows we have a lot of work to do.
Sorry, Sue. I was watching shoemaking videos. Those cobblers work so hard!
What? But why would you do that? We're using clay, remember?
You mean I watched 6 hours of shoe tutorials for nothing? Ah!
Oh, well, you never know. It might come in handy someday, Sam.
I guess so. It's good to have a hobby, you know.
Okay, then, let's get started. We can't keep Elsa waiting, you know. Oh, I love this clay. It looks amazing. Just check it out. And it will make some super stylish shoes. And this is how the one side should be done. Now for the other one. Huh? Where's the other ball of clay?
Whoop, whoop, oh yeah! This is amazing!
Oh, Sammy, what are you doing? We need this clay for the craft.
This isn't the crafting table, Sue! It's the party house! Woohoo!
Well, you've got some pretty sweet moves, Sam, but this is really important. We need to finish here, and you can dance later. Okay, now here's what we've got. I really love the result. I need to squeeze this together.
Oh, let me give them a perfect shape. Pow, 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 yeah!
Oh, thanks for your help. Let me see what we have here. We need to take it out really carefully. Here we go. Oh, wow, this is amazing.
Oh, that's not all. Let's give it more color.
Oh, great idea, Sammy. Let's do it.
look at it, as graceful as a swan. Although let's add some shiny rhinestones as well. Oh, I think we can use this too. The shoe can use a bow. There you go, Sue.
Wow, you're quite the fashionista, Sam. Oh, it's gotta have a snowflake. I mean, would Elsa expect anything else, right?
Oh, wow, do they make sneakers like that? I would love a pair. Oh, another successful craft, Sue. What a day.
Oh, but we're not done yet, Sammy. We've still got Elsa's dress to make.
Oh, the dress! How could I forget?
I was thinking this would look good on Elsa, and the size seems to be just right.
But that's made of paper. I don't think it'll be comfortable.
This isn't the actual dress. It's just to give us an idea. And now let's work with this clay. It looks perfect, don't you think? Sammy? What are you doing out there? Huh?
I'm working on something for the dress, Sue. This'll be my greatest creation. Oh, here you go. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Okay, let's see. Sam? How is this supposed to help?
Whoops! Wrong drawing! This is the one for the dress. Don't tell anyone about that.
Thanks. That's much better. You know what? I've been thinking. I'm sure you'd make a great superhero.
Oh yeah, I would, wouldn't I? Oh, Super Sam to the rescue! Woohoo!
Wow, the dress you designed is perfect. You've got a real talent, you know. Let's only add some sparkle to it. I want to add a few rhinestones as well.
Wow, that's dazzling! I can't even look! Wow! Oh, Elsa's gonna love this! But she's taking a long time in the shower, though. The water's probably frozen. I'll go check.
Good idea. And I'll keep working.
That was a mistake. It's like the North Pole in there.
Oh my, let's get you something warm. I'll finish the dress. We just need to decorate it. Oh, this looks beautiful. I hope it doesn't fall off. Now let's make more snowflakes for Elsa's new outfit.
Wait, Sue! We're not done yet! We need more gems! More! Wow! Huh? Whoa, that actually turned out pretty good! What an awesome job, Sammy! And Sue, of course!
Well, we're ready for our model. Here we go! Sam, it's beautiful. It's better than I could ever imagine. Thank you.
Wait, how's Elsa gonna wear this? It's made from clay!
No worries. All we need is a little winter magic. Whoosh! Well, how do I look? Does it suit me?
Oh, Elsa, you look amazing! I'm so glad I could help.
There's just one more thing to do. We need to get back to the banquet.
Okay, I need to be on my best behavior this time.
Thank you all for coming, especially my guest of honor, Slime Sam.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine, Your Majesty. Oh.
There's just one thing I'd like to add before we eat. Food fight!
What?